Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes really easy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, grab 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter or oil. Make sure you have a large bowl, a whisk, and a good non-stick pan ready. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's mix the batter. In your large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until they are well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently whisk the milk, the 1 large egg, and the 2 tablespoons of melted butter or oil. Then, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir just until everything is combined. A few small lumps are perfectly normal and will give you fluffy pancakes. It's time to cook these delicious pancakes. Place your non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat and lightly oil it. Once hot, pour about 1/4 of a cup of batter for each pancake onto the surface. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see bubbles forming on the top and the edges look set. Then, carefully flip each pancake and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Congratulations, you've made perfect, easy pancakes. Transfer your cooked pancakes to a plate. If you are making a larger batch, you can keep them warm in a low oven. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings. Whether it's classic maple syrup, fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or even chocolate chips, these homemade pancakes are sure to be a hit. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.